Come on, sweetie, you can do it. Yeah, you're almost here.
Googa!
Hey, look at you go!
Yay, you did it. You're so fast.
Baba!
You're so clever, little one.
What a team. I'm recording!
Noah, sweetheart, come to your brother. He moved. He took a step.
Yes!
Appa! Again. You're okay. That was amazing. Noah walked.
Just one little step. One big step.
I'm so proud of you. Bubba Butt! Did you hear that?
He's celebrating too. We need to celebrate!
Oh, you're hungry. Noah wants his bottle.
Good timing.
Here you go, sweetheart. He knows his bottle. Slow down, little one. He drinks so fast.
Just like his brother used to.
I never drank that fast. You absolutely did. Really?
We have pictures.
Oh no!
Baba!
Almost finished. Mom, he keeps kicking. He's a very busy baby today.
Maybe he's practicing for another walk.
Noah, save some energy.
He doesn't listen.
Noah, look at me. Boo! I got you. You two are having too much fun. Ba ba ba. I think he wants another joke. Ready, Noah? Gentle encouragement.
Okay.
Come to me, little brother. He's coming.
Look at those little knees.
Faster, Noah. You made it. High five. He did it. Good job, little explorer. First steps and now crawling. What's next?
You'll have to wait and see. Ethan, ready for the mall?
Ready. What are you two looking for? A surprise for Noah.
And maybe one surprise for someone else.
Me?
Maybe.
Let's go. Noah wants to come too. Look at that.
Slow down, buddy.
There's so much to see.
Stay close.
Noah likes the mall too. Dad,
Hmm?
Noah needs this car
Why?
because he loves moving.
Good reason.
And look at that little bicycle.
That's going in the bag.
Yay! Dad,
What?
look over there. He's all alone. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. Let him come to you. Okay.
Good and slow.
Come here, little guy. There you go. He likes you, Ethan.
Let's take him home.
Hi. You're so cute. Mom? I see. He trusts me.
Looks like he does.
Can we take him home? We need to make sure he's safe first.
We'll help him and look for his family.
And if nobody finds him, then we'll decide together. I hope he stays. He wants to stay too. First, some water.
Good idea.
Here, little puppy.
Baba!
Noah likes him. I think everyone does.
Almost done, buddy.
His paws were so muddy.
Now look.
Wow, he barked. You look completely different. Much better. What should we call him? Max.
Max?
Yes. Then welcome, Max. Woof! He likes his name.
Ooh!
Say hello, Noah.
Baba!
That's his hello. Gentle hands. Wag, wag. Come on, Max. Catch me. Don't run too fast.
Okay.
Noah is watching. Noah likes the game.
Noah is chasing Max.
Slowly, sweetheart.
Look at him go. Come on, Noah.
Good job, sweetie.
That's my boy.
Max, you're too fast. Look at those two.
They're already best friends.
Best friends forever.
Baba.
He likes you, Noah.
Ba.
Our little family.
The best. Hey, little buddy. Who's daddy?
Ba.
What?
Baba.
Did you just say?
Baba.
Oh my goodness, he said Baba.
He said Baba.
He really did.
My little boy.
Dad, you look like you're going to cry.
I might.
Don't cry.
These are happy tears.
We knew this moment would come. Noah,
Baba.
Dad got his first word.
I think your brother is trying to say it again.
Say Ethan.
Baba.
Almost.
I still love you. Looks like Max has everything he needs.
Food, water, a safe place.
And a family. Yes. We still need to make sure no one is looking for him. And if nobody is,
Then
we'll talk about it. I already know what I want.
we checked, and nobody has come looking for Max.
So, yes, he can stay?
If we all agree to take care of him,
I agree. Noah,
that's one vote.
and that's enough.
Everyone ready?
Max, look here.
Woof.
Noah, smile.
3, 2, 1.
Best family picture ever. Today we got 3 surprises. 3, Noah took his first steps.
He said his first word.
And we found Max. I think Max found us.
I think Max found us. Maybe you're right.
So we're a family of 5 now?
Family?
Looks that way. One happy family.